Привіт! Я Світлана Живіцька. Передача English for Us для тих, хто цікавиться англійською мовою. Вчителі, учні, батьки. You're welcome!
Hello dear friends, I welcome you at our today's lesson devoted to the preparation for independent testing. I am a teacher of English at Specialized Secondary School number 6, Алли Бонк. Today we continue working with the same verbs plus preposition. Сьогодні ми продовжуємо працювати з темою дієслова з прийменниками. We'll draw our attention to some of the verbs used with prepositions from and on. Ми звернемо нашу увагу на деякі дієслова, що використовуються з прийменниками on та from.
Borrow from. To request and receive the use of something from someone. Collocations. Borrow a book from the library. Borrow from my parents. Borrow from a friend of his. For example, can I borrow a hammer from you? Sorry, this hammer was borrowed from my father. Concentrate on. To focus one's thinking on someone or something. To think intensely about someone or something. Collocations. Concentrate on your work. Concentrate on driving. Concentrate on what I am doing. Example. Please, concentrate upon Jeff. He's the one we should discuss. Try to concentrate on your work more. Congratulate somebody on. To compliment or wish happiness to someone because of something. Collocations. Congratulate somebody on his results. Congratulate somebody on her success. Congratulate somebody on winning. Example. I want to congratulate you on your recent success. I congratulate you on your new job. Decide on. To choose someone or something. To make a judgment about some aspect of someone or something. Collocations. Decide on a color scheme. Decide on which to choose. Decide on the blue one. Example. Will you please hurry up and decide on someone to vote for? I decided on chocolate. Depend on. To rely upon someone or something. Collocations. Depend on imports. Depend on how I feel. Depend on if I have time. Example. Can I depend on you to do this right? You can depend on me for help. Differ from. To be different from something else. Collocations. Differ from the others. Differ from what I expected. Differ from what I wanted. Example. No, this one differs from the one you saw because it has a bigger handle. How does this one differ from that one? Escape from. Get rid of. Run away from confinement. Collocations. Escape from prison. Escape from this routine. Escape from the crowd. Example. The convicted murderer escaped from a high-security prison. Insist on. To ask for urgently or insistently. Collocations. Insist on good service. Insist on seeing her. Insist on one condition. Example. Our mother has never insisted on that way of our education. Operate on. Perform surgery on. Collocation. Operate on a patient. Example. The doctors operated on the patient but failed to save his life. Prevent somebody from. To keep someone from doing something. Collocations. Prevent from doing something. Prevent from leaving. Prevent from cheating. Example. You can't prevent me from doing it. We must try to prevent her from going back there. Recover from. To recuperate from a disease. Collocations. Recover from a cold. Recover from a serious illness. recover from a nasty shock. Example, I hope I can recover from this cough soon. She recovered from her cold soon enough to go on the trip. Rely on. To depend on someone or something. To trust in someone or something. Collocations. Rely on every employee. Rely on you. Rely on the bus service. Example, I know I can rely on you to do a good job. Can we rely on this old car to get us there? Resign from. To make a written statement that removes one from an office or position of employment. Collocations. Resign from the committee. Resign from his job. Example, Andy resigned from the office. I will not resign from my job. You will have to fire me. Retire from. To make someone or something out of service permanently. Collocations. Retire from work at 65. Example, retired from the company early. When do you intend to retire from your job? Suffer from. To endure or experience unpleasantness, a disease or a health condition. Collocations. Suffer from a headache. Suffer from toothache. Suffer from a bad cold. Example, Jeff is suffering from the flu. I am afraid that you must suffer from the disease until it has run its course. Toby is really suffering from the cold.
Під відео розміщено корисні посилання, якими ви можете скористатися. Підписуйтесь на наш канал English for Us. Goodbye!